So here we have someone with very long waist length hair, almost tailbone length, I would say. The stylist asks her how short does she want to go, and it looks like she's going to be getting a shoulder length bob. Quite a dramatic change. The stylist gave her a classic timeless bob haircut. This is so effortless and chic. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Here we have a style that does feature a bob haircut. Now this bob is quite unique with the shape. It kind of features a bit of a bowl. Very interesting shape overall. And then we have someone adding in some bangs to their hairstyle. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now this style looks like it features more of like the baby bang look, which is very popular right now. Oh, she ended up getting a bob. Very nice. So the stylist is doing a haircut on someone who has an oval face shape. I really like how he's taking the time to just kind of measure out the client's details to make sure that the cut frames the face beautifully. And there is the inspiration, a beautiful bob. And And then he goes to show her exactly what he's gonna do before doing it. Wow, I love this technique. Oh, wow. And the result is a gorgeous, effortless bob. Perfectly framing the face with some layers. Very nice. And then we have a pixie undercut. This one features like the hair all slicked back, creating like a little mohawk vibe. Followed by this curly cropped shaggy cut. Loving the color that was put in. Beautiful caramel honey highlights. And then we have a pixie hair transformation. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous pixie. Love how she styled this with the gold earrings. So pretty. And this particular pixie does feature a lot of fullness. She looks amazing. And this cut offers up a lot of versatility with the styling. She can slick it back and really just have a lot of fun with it. Wear it even more volumized with some curls. Very nice. Absolutely love it. And I love that we get a 360 view of this cut. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.